Gabi na oh. Gabi na.
Solo traveling is real. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hi everyone. So we are going through the elephant sanctuary already. Hello everyone. I'm going to China. Solo travel. But for now, I have to eat first. Isang kagat, tinapay lahat. Anyways, ang magagawa. Hindi na lang pag Thank you, Lord.
That's available for boarding for the last one. Passengers bound for Hong Kong on Cebu Pacific Flight RJ110, flight RJ110 bound for Hong Kong.
So I'm going to Phuket already. So I'm going to ride a plane. As you can see, boarding gate number 52.
We ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you.
นี่คือเข็มขัดรัดที่แน่น
Just got landed in Thailand. Quite tired. It's been 7 hours traveling.
Ay nako, kanina po ako paikot-ikot. Ang hassle pa naman nito pagka maleta. So I'm now in Phuket at my hotel. So for the room tour. So, bye everyone. Maggagayak lang ako kasi gutom na ako. Wala pa lang breakfast sa rin aking binok. Siya. Paano?
Gusto kong pumunta dun sa parang day 1 in Thailand, day 2 in Thailand. Let's see, makapunta tayo. Iikot-ikot na lang muna. MG, bar na pala rin. Di man lang tayo makapag-picture. By video lang sadya. Delikado naman parang walking donkeys eh. Yan lang yung afford natin. Let's eat. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Masarap ang lasa talaga ng Thai food. As in. Gusto ko magpa-massage. Ayoko ng gabi. Baka delikado. Okay lang magala pagka marami. O may kasama. We have Halloween special something. So now, tada! My gosh, na-miss ko nang pumunta ng dagat. Miss ko ng Surigao. Oh my gosh, ang ganda boy. Ito mo. OMG, it feels like Siargao. Like General Luna. Malas din. Parang wala ako sa Thailand. Eh, puro turista ang nandito eh. Ibang lahi. Diba? Hi vlog. Today I am going to Sanctuary. So let's wait for the pick. Outfit check. Very comfy. Comfy lang. Yan ako naligo. Hello po. Sawadee ka. uh, what's good morning in Thailand? Sawadee.
Yes, 20 ka. On the day, on the night.
Sawadee.
20 ka.
Sawadee ka. Medyo grabe yung biyahe kahapon. 7 hours. Like it's 6 plus, but yes, it's 7 hours. So from Philippines, going to Bangkok, Thailand, dito sa Phuket. So yes, much more expensive. Kasi kailangan ko pang magbayad ng flight going here. Pinili ko tong Phuket, Thailand compare sa Bangkok, Thailand. Because going to Elephant Sanctuary. Yeah, waiting for 6. Galing sa Pilipinas, kailangan ko yung flight. Papuntang Bangkok. Bago makapunta dito sa Phuket, Thailand. Pinili ko tong Phuket, Thailand. Kaysa sa Bangkok, kasi parang yung Bangkok more on historical places ng Thailand. Mga beaches, kahit wala mga activities na kailangan gawin. Basta Phuket, kasi mas maraming elephant sanctuary dito. And parang yung sa Thailand pa, yung Phuket, Thailand, makakompare ko siya ng Surigao. Very Surigao. Very island, very dagat. Ganun. So, yes. So, from Bangkok to Phuket, it took me 2 hours. Sa 2-hour flight. Nakalabas ako sa ibang gate. Nakain na kami ng nanay ng Thai food sa Hong Kong. Masarap yung Thai food. Ano siya, swak sa lasa ng Pinoy. Sa lahat ng lahi, swak sa lasa. Wait, natin masyado, parang feel ko delikado na. Anyways, yes, Madam Ladyboy. As ang gaganda nila. So, ladyboy sila. Kita naman sa picture ng mukha na ladyboy sila. So, ang ganda ng katawan. Hi everyone. So we are going through the elephant sanctuary already. Yeah. Nakakapagod maliit lang yung hakbang. Okay, let's go to eat some cookies. Let's try some cookies. There. If you see elephant, right, please do not put the food and get closer with elephant, right? That is that's okay. Elephant, that one belongs to elephant, not belong to one family. Okay, yes. Did you help me carrying my basket and leaving on the one elephant here? That's it. To say good morning. One more time, good morning. This one, her name is Duong Chai. Duong Chai. So big. Guys, you can say. Poquito más, poquito más. Poquito, oh. Mira. Ah, toca alapante. Toca. Mayo, besito. Ano imputa ya. Mira. So cute. Very good. Yeah, Ay, sorry. 'You don't have any. Hello. Can I touch? I can touch his ears. Yes. Touch indeed. Face, nose, ears. Oh, let's touch his body. Tada! Makapal yung balat niya. Yay! Thank you.
Time elephant poop, how many time elephant pee, how many time food we feed them, how many kilogram we feed them because they eat a lot. Okay? If something wrong, something not food side, we can call. Okay, you let you know about elephant diet expert. Okay, what elephant diet is for one day. Yes. Like I told you, you can separate like a three things. Okay, the main food, appetizer, and vitamin for elephant. The first one, okay, for the main food for elephant. What do you think? What is the main food for them? No. Food? No. Rice. That's
Mixi, mixi. Yeah, let's feed elephant with the food that I did. Okay. The video. Thank you. Ooh, you fast. Done. He eats fast. He eats fast.
Spin it up. Wow together.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, and the next one is photo frame. Thank you. And the next one is
Wow.
thank you. Yeah. And this one too.
Wow.
Teamwork. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so let's get it. Okay. So envelope like this, everybody. I love this. For the Happy New Year is coming soon, right? If you guys don't like someone at your country at home like that, you can send envelope to them like Happy New Year like that. Let them smell. Let them lick it. Yeah, they don't know what we make from, right? Secret from Thailand. Okay? Don't forget to send it.
I'm currently at the mud with the elephant. We are batting. Thank you. Loves waterproof video.
Madam, you wanna take one photo picture, right?
Give me 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So cute. Elephant is so cute. Now we are on the swimming pool with the elephant. We're batting the elephant, as you can see. Elephant skin is so thick. Can I try? So they said they like to scrub their
Yep.
So yeah, they scrub their body. We add a cooking oil. Okay. Oh, any local restaurant normally they add fish sauce, soy sauce, or a little shrimp. Okay. This one we add onion. We add 3 ingredients first. We stir. We stir 3 ingredients first. After we add 3 ingredients already,
Elephant stay alone without the keeper is not safe. Alright? Yeah. Everybody, right here, we provide
Save the earth. Mas may elephant something. Gusto ko gamitin to kaya lang walang lagayan ng ano, passport.
hello. Yeah, quite nice though. Sa kabila din Let's see. Ang ganda. Siguro ang ganda dito ng sunset. Since pa sunset naman na din. Ay, mamaya. Hi. Sabi may pool daw dito. Wala naman eh. Wala pala. Yun lang pala yung pool nila. Garden lang pala dito. Pero di ba ang ganda? Hindi ako nagsisi na dito ako. May pool din sa kabila. Pero hindi na yan sa amin. Anyways, hindi ako nagsisi na dito ako nag-book. Later siguro ibang ano naman na to. Ibang style. I mean, ibang vibe na. Paggabi. Yeah. Balik tayo. Check natin yung relax room nila. May relax room sila dun eh, sa baba. Sure. Let's see. Hapon. Hello. Sawadika. No, we're going to relax room. Indonesia? Filipino. Yeah. So, tatlo lang talaga yung goal ko. Tatlo lang. Number 1, elephant. 2, Thai massage. And 3 is Thai food. So, yung elephant, nakakain na ako ng, nakapunta na ako sa elephant. And yung Thai food naman is nakakain na ako kagabi. And then, kanina, sa elephant sanctuary. So, yun lang yung goal ko. Yung tatlong yun. And then, since gusto ko din, baka punta na ng beach. Kasi talagang medyo matagal na. I mean, hindi naman pala matagal. Kasi pumunta pala ako ng Boracay nung nakaraan. Pero syempre, hindi nakakasawa. So, gusto ko din na malapit sa beach. So, yung hotel na binook ko is malapit lang sa beach. Para, sakali gusto kong tumambay sa beach. Walking distance lang.
Massage is really.
Wow, so nice. Hi vlog, I'm back. Kakatapos ko lang magpa-Thai massage. So medyo na-shock ako sa massage nila. Very, very much full body massage. Pati yung pero wala lang. Open-minded tayo. It's raining here in Thailand. Sorry. Pero, dyan ko na lang sinampay kasi naligo ko ng pool and nag-mud swim ako kahapon sa sanctuary. Yeah, it's raining here. Thailand day 3. Thailand day 3, October 29, raining. So, kahit umuulan, grateful ako kay Lord kasi nung dumating ako dito, the day before or hours before ako nag-arrive dito sa Phuket, Thailand, is sobrang lala daw talaga ng ulan. As in, heavy rainfall talaga. Affordable. Sarap. Sarap yung milk tea. Sarap yung milk tea. Parang feeling ko babalik-balikan ko itong food ng Thailand. Sarap ng Thai food talaga. Naglakad ako from the hotel ng 20 minutes para makapunta lang dito. Talagang sinadya ko. Sulit. Ang sarap ng milk tea nila. Mura. Let's see. Pero so far, proven talaga yung Thai food the best. Hindi ko kung ano ulit. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Pero binigyan tayo nito. Gamitin. Kaya hindi na ako magtataka if masarap. Thai food talaga siya. Sobra. The best. The best talaga yung Thai food. Masarap talaga yung masarap yung milk tea nila. Masarap yung milk tea nila kaya nagpa-take out ako. So, nagpa-foot massage ako. Kasi mas mura dito.
Hi everyone. Currently at my room, nakapaggayak na ako. Nakapagligpit na, nakapag-ayos na ng gamit. Ayan, it's raining outside. Nantok ako. 11 p.m. yung flight ko. And 11 a.m. pa lang ngayon. So, yung check-out ko is 12 dito sa hotel. So, halos 12 hours ako maghihintay sa airport para sa flight ko. Plus 7 hours na biyahe. So, 19 hours. 19 hours ako. Hello vlog. Papunta na ako ngayon sa international terminal na airport. Lamig dito. Gabi na. Gabi na.